These are the 6 compound angle formulae, and they can be found on page 14 of the formula book. If sine of A is equal to 2 over 3, for A greater than 0 degrees but less than 90 degrees, and cos of B is equal to 4 over 5, for B greater than 0 degrees less than 90 degrees, without using a calculator, find the exact value of sine of A plus B. Okay, so it's important to note that sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, and cos is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So we're going to construct the right angle triangles shown and use Pythagoras' theorem to work out the unknown sides. We can then write down any of the ratios we need. So let's take the first right angle triangle. We have angle A, and we're told that sine of A is 2 over 3, and sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So the opposite is going to be 2. So if this is angle A, the opposite side is 2. And the hypotenuse is going to be 3. So the hypotenuse is going to be 3. So we're going to use Pythagoras' theorem to figure out the unknown side. So it's going to be 3 squared is equal to 2 squared plus x squared. So 9 equals 4 plus x squared. So 9 minus 4 is 5, so 5 equals x squared, so x is equal to the square root of 5. So we label this unknown side as root 5. So now we have the 3 sides of our triangle. So we're going to use CA, which is cos of x equals adjacent over hypotenuse. So cos of A is going to be the adjacent, which is root 5, over the hypotenuse, which is 3. So cos of A is root 5 over 3. So we're now going to go to the other right angle triangle, which has an angle B. And we were told in the question that cos of B is 4 over 5. The 4 representing the adjacent and the 5 representing the hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse is 5 and the adjacent is 4. So now we have to figure out the other side. So using Pythagoras' theorem, we have 5 squared equals 4 squared plus x squared. That gives us 25 equals 16 plus x squared. So 9 equals x squared. So x equals the square root of 9, which is 3. So our remaining side is 3. So now we have the 3 sides of our triangle. We're going to use SO, which is sine of x equals O over h. The side that is opposite angle B is 3. So 3 is our numerator. And the hypotenuse is 5. So get sine of B equals 3 over 5. So in the question, we were told sine of A is 2/3, cos of B is 4/5. And from the diagrams, the right angle triangles, we worked out cos of A is root 5 over 3, and sine of B is 3 over 5. So we're going to use our compound angle formula. Sine of A plus B is equal to sine of A plus times cos of B plus cos of A times sine of B. So sine of A, we swap for 2 over 3, multiplied by cos of B, which is 4 over 5. Bring down the plus, cos of A, which is root 5 over 3, multiplied by sine of B, which is 3 over 5. And inputting those into the calculator, we end up with 8 plus 3 root 5 over 15. So to summarize what we did, we were given a ratio in terms of sine of A and another ratio in terms of cos of B. We used the information given to draw out 2 separate right angle triangles, one with angle A and one with angle B. We then used Pythagoras' theorem to find the unknown sides. And then when we had the three sides of each triangle, we used cos and sine to figure out cos of A and sine of B. Then we had sine of A and cos of B from the question, and we had worked out cos of A and sine of B using the right angle triangles, and then we just inputted them into the compound angle formula and got our answer.